Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable screen protector mode in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then we need to go to accessibility and convenience. Next, we need to scroll down, and here we have touch adaptation menu. In here we have two options. We have screen protector mode and we have waterproof pouch mode. What does this option do? So, optimizes the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protector. So, if we have plastic, glass, or other silicone protector on our screen, this option will help with sensitivity of the screen. The same with waterproof pouch, and we can enable or disable it from there. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.